Welcome back. You're watching Better Northwest, and I'm Camila Gate. All right, so you've been in an accident, and you have no idea what to do. Well, there are certain do's and don'ts that you need to know about to protect your legal rights. Well, we're here in downtown Seattle today at the offices of Chris Davis Law Group. And with me right now is Chris Davis. He's been practicing law for more than 15 years. And he's written this book called The Washington Accident Book that could be very helpful to you. Chris, why did you want to write this book in the first place?
I've been doing this for over 16 years now, and there's just a lot of misinformation out in the public, promulgated by the insurance companies or the insurance industry. And I receive a lot of questions, common questions about accident claims. And so I decided, hey, why don't I write a book and offer it for free to the public to answer many of the questions that we get here at our office.
So in Chapter 2, it's called You've Entered into a War Zone. That sounds kind of scary and intimidating. What do you mean by that?
I use that title to grab the reader's attention. But, you know, my message is this, that most people who are in the claims process really don't realize how adversarial the process is until it's probably too late. And by that I mean the insurance company, their job is to gather information, investigate the claim, but their job is also to gather in the information that protects the company or helps the company rather than the person making the claim. So they will be looking for signs, information that will help them either defeat the claim entirely or minimize the value of the claim.
So when do you need to hire an attorney in an accident case?
You know, Penny, most cases probably do not need an attorney. And for those cases are usually small cases that resolve within a few months or so. When somebody, though, finds themselves, out of work for a period of time, the medical bills are more than just a few $1,000s, and the injuries may be permanent or long-lasting, then the claim conceivably might have a higher value, and when there's more money at stake, then it's probably a good idea to at least consult with a lawyer to learn about your rights.
All right, so you found a suitable attorney and you're going to go forward. Is there a way to determine the value of your case?
There is no mathematical formula that exists to calculate the value of any claim. It really depends on a number of factors particular to that individual claim. And so when people consult with us or we represent clients, there's probably at least a dozen to 24 factors that we look at, which we either try to enhance or communicate to the insurance company or gather evidence to support those factors, where we then come up with a reasonable range of value based on either my experience, based on similar types of cases or publishable verdict reports in the past, and then we go from there.
So, Chris, do you have a limited amount of time in which you can file a claim?
Well, legally, they call this the statute of limitations, and in Washington, that is 3 years from the date of the accident, typically. But I tell people that they should not wait 3 years to resolve the claim, or should not wait 3 years to hire a lawyer if they think that they need one, because the process is very predicated on gathering information quickly, important information quickly, that may turn out to be very important later on down the road.
There's a lot of information in this book, so I'm sure a lot of people might be interested in getting a copy. How do they do that?
It's free. We offer the book free to accident victims. They can go to WashingtonAccidentBook.com. There's a separate website that will answer many of the questions about the book. There's an order form, or they can call our office on the number on the screen.
All right, so there's the information on how to get the 10 biggest mistakes that can wreck your Washington accident case. Chris Davis, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And we talked about a lot of information, so if it went by quickly, you can also go to our website. It's KairoTV.com, and just click on the Health Lifestyle tab. You'll find the Better Northwest page. Thanks a lot, Chris. Great to talk to you. All right, we'll be right back.